Okay, so for this one, we want to find the area of a regular polygon. This is a pentagon, so it's got 5 sides, and our length of each side is 8.4. So finding the area of any polygon, regular polygon or any polygon, we will do A equals 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. Perimeter for this particular problem is actually fairly easy. So we could just do that by 5 times 8.4, which would give us 42. We're just going to hold that off to the side for a moment. Now, to find the apothem, we need to find our center and recall that we have triangles that are formed from this center. To find the angle of these centers, we just take 360 degrees divided by the number of sides, and in this case that's of course 5. So that is 72 degrees. All right, so each one of these is 72. But when we drop our apothem from our center to our side, we are splitting that triangle in half. So therefore we're going to need to divide 72 by 2, which is 36. So now we have this is 36 degrees. That also is going to divide the triangle here in half. So instead of 8.4 for our sides, we're going to have 4.2 and 4.2. Now, to make things a little bit easier, I'm going to pull out this triangle so that we can work on that individually. So here we go. So 4.2 is that side measurement. We found that this angle was 36 degrees. The apothem always falls at a 90 degrees, so that helps us with the with that. And here's our apothem. The best way to do this one is using trigonometry. And this is opposite sides. The 4.2 is opposite, and our apothem is the adjacent side. So therefore, and again, that's from the angle. So that will be tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of 36 degrees is going to equal 4.2 over A. Now, right away, we notice A is on the bottom, so we're probably going to end up dividing, which we will end up dividing, but just wanted to kind of point out the pattern there. All right, so when we cross multiply, we get 4.2 equals A times the tangent of 36 degrees, divide by tangent of 36, and we get that A is equal to 5.781. For good measure, I would suggest keeping as many of those decimals as possible, at least until you get to the very end. So now we have enough information. We can plug in our values. We have our perimeter. We have our apothem. So A is going to equal 1/2 the apothem 5.781 times our perimeter of 42. Plug that in the calculator and get your answer.